This program is a no-brainer if you're a Berkshire's regional firm, for 3 reasons actually. Number 1, the troubleshooting skills that you said you wanted in your frontline employees, they'll get them in this program. Number 2, they'll actually be exposed to technologies that normally they wouldn't be exposed to, that allows them to think about ways to ever better the work that they're doing for you and for their teams. Number 3, they're actually going to pick one of those technologies to bring back to your firm in a proposal, and they're going to be able to present to you as to why this particular technology, or maybe 2, should be brought into their role, their team, their group, your firm. That's primarily why it's a no-brainer. If I were to pick a 4th reason, I would say it's free. It's already funded. So you get to nominate 2 employees to go through each cohort, 6 people in total maximum for the next 18 months. Now, space is limited, so go to the website and fill out your nomination form before the chance is gone.